Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Agix and Singularitynet. It's been a while since we covered it. There hasn't been a lot of movement either, so that's also what we will address in this video. I'll tell you kind of what I see in the market right now, what the structure is. You could argue that we're in a downtrend, you could argue that we are in an uptrend. Excuse me, that's my coffee machine in the background. But we'll talk about that. I'll tell you my thoughts on the market structure and also what I expect from here, because yeah, as I said, we haven't moved a lot since, well, practically for a bit longer than a week. So yeah, we'll take a look at that. I'll give you hopefully at the end of this video you know what to expect in all different scenarios. But for now, let's get right into Agix. Before we do so, if you want to receive daily trading signals on also Agix, but in general just on big altcoins, and become a better trader altogether, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now onto Agix. So what you can see right now is that the trend and the momentum is kind of out of the price. I mean, the volume is around 46 million right now. If you compare that over the last month, you can see that, well, basically since the 15th of March, we've just been dropping in volume. Whereas at the beginning or the end of March, we still had around 120 million. That dropped down to sub 100 levels shortly afterwards. And right now, this week, we're at an average of around $50 million. So there just isn't a lot of momentum in Agix. Apart from that, if you take a look at the ADX, you can see that, well, since, as I said, that level, the 29th of March, the ADX, which is kind of my gauge of whether we are trending or not, has been fairly flat, has been low. So altogether, we're just in a consolidation, which is a little bit of a weird thing to say, because if you see the EMAs, you can see that they're still trending down. So you would say, oh, well, that's a downtrend. And then on the other hand, what you see right here is that we're also making some higher lows. See, and it's actually being respected as well. So altogether, what I expect right now for Agix is that we will stay in this consolidation, and I would say that the consolidation ranges from around 39 cents. That's kind of the main support level we have right here. Up to right now, I'm kind of I think right now we're actually ranging between 43 and 39 cents, and this is it. And at some point, and I know that this might not satisfy you as an analysis, but at some point we're going to break out of either 43 cents, then we'll be bullish, we'll rally up to 46 cents, and after that have a chance to go up to 48 cents. We'll either do that, or at some point we will test 39 cents, drop down below 39 cents, and drop down to towards 35 cents. That's just the way I look at Agix right now. That's the thing. I'm also not trading it because there's just not that movement in that, and it's hard to predict when we will get that bullish push or that bearish push. Because it seems like the AI narrative is kind of over as well. We've had massive developments in AI recently, which usually cause bullish momentum for Agix. It doesn't anymore. So what I expect now is that I do think that we will hold 39 cents initially and that we can get back up to 43 cents. But I think the most likely scenario is that we will stay in this consolidation. At some point, we will drop down below 39 cents and drop down to 35 cents. That seems like the most likely scenario for now. But for example, if we are actually able to stay in this level until the next interest rate, for example, then the most likely scenario probably will become breaking above 43 cents. So it's just a matter of how long we can stay in this. For now, this is my most likely scenario, but I'll keep you updated on that, and I'll keep monitoring it, of course. But that's my take on it for today. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.